Xiaomi Mix Flip with a beautiful front screen and all around great design. Also the inside feels premium. In the box we will find a case, if you can call it a case. You have to glue that in, and 67-watt charger. Of course it's a Chinese version, so I got a compatible converter. Front screen fingerprint sensor. On the front screen we have all kinds of apps, so you really don't need to open the device. Fully customizable, but if you wanted to, then you are greeted with a beautiful high-end 120Hz screen. The original wallpaper looks like this. Also very cool high-end, but I prefer this one to show you the crest inside. Is it visible? Barely. Barely. Going to the settings, we do have dual SIM card. The hinge is so tight to each other there's not even a blip of the light between the parts of the smartphone, and that is super safe for the screen. The device itself, face recognition, was super cool. It's powered by Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, the regular version, not the S version like in any other smartphones, which is not great. The regular 3 is the ultimate processor, and that is it. 4780 mAh battery, screen resolution, screen sizes, 50 megapixel camera, both of them. Storage test. The internal memory of UFS 4.0, which is the fastest one, 1486 for the read and 1082 for the write. What does that mean? It means that the wallpaper will open immediately and all kinds of multitasking will be instant, and that is really cool. The pictures itself, but we'll go back to the pictures. Look at the quality of that screen. That is beautiful screen. So there you go. That's the power. That's the power, very similar to the ultra flagship like Galaxy S24, and the multi the same like the Galaxy S24. Maybe some gaming. A little gaming. Of course, we do have a game mode, which you can have all kinds of stuff. Oh, look at that screen. You can even play like this if you wanted to. That'll be interesting. Smoothness in the highest settings, because this is the latest and greatest Snapdragon, so it has to be smooth. Oh, they got me. They got me great. But it is a smooth gaming. And the camera app is also super cool because we can record in 4K 60 front and back of that camera in HDR. Did you notice I'm recording with Vivo? Yeah, the quality is really good with the bokeh and everything. Link in the description. But let's continue to the camera. Now forget to record all the way to 4K 60 frames per second, and on the front facing camera it is wide, very wide, so great for vlogging with or without autofocus from the front-facing camera. What about the main lens? The main lens, we do have autofocus nicely. What about telephoto? There's some buildings. 6x. This is electronic zoom for the 4K 60 and 10x for the 4K 30. Did I say 4K 60 is the maximum resolution? No, it is not. 8K 24 frames per second, and that's high. I think maybe the highest resolution I've seen in any flip phone. Damn. Picture-wise is fantastic. It's not oversaturating the image, it's not undersaturating the image. The image is a little bit like grayish, but the colors are very accurate, and that's rare, very rare in the smartphones. So this is it. This is a smartphone for great photos. I will leave you with those photos. I will come back to you in a second. sky is very strong with this one. For example, if we hit edit and we do create, then a sky, what can we do? We can erase the clouds, basically. No clouds. Sunny day, different clouds, more clouds, cumulus clouds, circulus clouds, status, all kinds of clouds. We can even do a freaking rainbow, a double rainbow. How sick is that? What if we do warm? Wow. Whoa. That is crazy. What if we do night? Alright, that's unnatural, but night. Lightning. Damn. Amazing. What if you want to erase something? Frame, erase. We want to erase that red car. Sticker, frame, erase. There it is. We don't want that car on the frame. He's gone. It's not perfect. It's definitely not perfect, but it's gone. Conclusion. This could be one of the best flip smartphone in the world. But let me do a wide angle a little bit. Bam! And there it is with a mouse. How sick is that? And I will come back to it. There is only one smartphone in the world which could be equal or even better. Motorola Razr 50. Let me just... Oh, come on. There it is, there it is. They are. They both have a fantastic front screen. Motorola has a little bit more available space on the screen. They both ultra flagships, ultra flag flip ships. Very similar. If I have to choose now, it will be hard. I will make a comparison video, camera comparison video, of course, because processor, speakers, screens are almost the same. Almost because Xiaomi has a little bit more cameras, like I said. A bigger camera. Ring, not the lens itself. Why it's such a big ring? It's 4K 60 all the way around. And I think that's all I got. By the way, I'm filming with, the whole video was filmed with Vivo X100 Ultra, which I can control via mouse, connected to a PC wirelessly, and there's basically no delay. How sick is that? Link in the description for such a beautiful smartphone camera. Such a wide angle. I can do even telephoto if I wanted to. I can do all kinds of stuff. Alright, too much. This video is all about Xiaomi, not a Vivo. Link in the description. See you next video. Bye. And with the mouse.